Welcome to our latest Wandering Walks of Wonder adventure tour. Today we're headed to the small Amish community of Jamesport, Missouri. Jamesport has a population roughly about 600 people. It was first homesteaded by Thomas Aubrey in 1834 in what is now the north part of Jamesport, and later establishing itself as the first settlement called Auberry Grove. James Gillian bought a farm at today's town site in 1853 and filed a plat in 1857 for a town called Jamesport. It was two words at that time, James and Port. The town is reportedly named for landowner and first postmaster James Gillian, although two other men named James could conceivably share that honor. Dr. James T. Allen, who supposedly helped survey the property, and pioneer James Callison, who bought land west of the site in 1839 and married Gillian's sister Rebecca in 1852. Now, no records really exist that explain this landlocked town suffix, the name port, but that term is often referred to as a shipping and receiving point, hence the name Jamesport. The arrival in 1871 of the Chicago, Rock Island, and Pacific Railroad helped establish the town as a trading center. It was incorporated in 1872 as Jamesport, all in one word. Today, Jamesport is known for its antique shops and Amish stores. A post office has been in Jamesport since 1857. Just a little bit about the Amish community. What is reportedly Missouri's largest settlement of Amish was formed in 1953 when groups from Iowa, Delaware, and Kansas moved near here. The Amish, formerly known as the Old Order Amish Mennonites, are a conservative Protestant sect that was established in the late 1600s when Jacob Ammon, a bishop of the Mennonite Church, left it after a controversy about his strict shunning of excommunicated church members. The Amish believe in the supremacy of the Bible, the simplicity of life, an agrarian economy, large families, and separation from the outside world. Still adhering to the 17th century lifestyle, you will often see them in Jamesport driving buggies, farm with draft animals, and they do not use electricity at all. Amish men are easily recognized by their hats, beards without mustaches, and coats without collars. The women wear cloth prayer hats, high-neck dresses, and no makeup. None of the clothes have zippers, which was a relatively new invention that was patented in 1913. And as you notice as we go along through our walk here in Jamesport, that I don't shoot any video or any pictures of the Amish because that is against their religious belief. As we walk along the small downtown area of Jamesport, we'll see some great example of late 19th century architecture here in town. Much of it's still very well preserved. This old photograph that was done sometime before 1917 gives you a little idea of what downtown Jamesport looked back in the early part of the 20th century. One of the more notable people to come out of Jamesport was Forrest Clare Allen. Allen was born in Jamesport on November 18, 1855. He's commonly known as Phog Allen, and he was an esteemed American basketball coach who was renowned as the father of basketball coaching. His coaching tenure spanned across various institutions, including Baker University in Kansas from 1905 to 1908, the University of Kansas from 1907 to 1909, and again from 1919 to 1956, the Haskell Institute, as well as the Warrensburg Teachers College, which is now the University of Central Missouri. Over his career, he amassed a remarkable college basketball record of 746 wins and 264 losses. His tenure of 39 seasons with the Kansas Jayhawks men's basketball team saw unparalleled success. He secured 24 conference championships and 3 national titles.
Good. How you doing?
I hope you've enjoyed your time wandering with us around Jamesport, Missouri. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you on our next Wandering Walks of Wonder adventure. Take care now. Bye bye.